Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the investment options available through Vanguard. When managing your wealth through Vanguard brokerage accounts and associated services like the Cash Plus program, investors have access to a robust lineup of diverse asset classes designed to fit various risk tolerances and financial strategies. First are mutual funds. Vanguard is globally recognized for pioneering low-cost mutual fund investing. You can choose from an extensive selection of both passively managed index funds that track major market benchmarks, like the S&P 500, and actively managed funds where professional portfolio managers aim to outperform specific market indexes. Second are exchange-traded funds, commonly known as ETFs. Vanguard ETFs offer similar diversification benefits to traditional mutual funds, but provide higher trading flexibility because they can be bought and sold throughout the trading day on stock exchanges. Third, investors looking for fixed income assets can access individual bonds and certificates of deposit, or CDS. Corporate, municipal, and treasury bonds allow you to add regular income streams and stability to your portfolio while mitigating the volatility typically associated with equities. Meanwhile, thick and short CDS offer principal protection for specific time horizons. Fourth, for cash management and short-term capital preservation, Vanguard offers specialized options including money market funds and the Vanguard Cash Plus account. Money market funds invest in high-quality, short-term debt securities, whereas the Cash Plus account acts as a high-yield savings alternative utilizing program banks with extended thick insurance coverage. Finally, investors can trade individual stocks directly through Vanguard brokerage services to build custom equity portfolios tailored to exact specifications. Additionally, all-in-one solutions like target retirement funds and life strategy portfolios automatically handle asset allocation and rebalancing across stocks and bonds based on predefined timelines or risk profiles. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.